Guys, today we're gonna making a size. So when I see something a new in email of package from new email, let's go. I forgot to bring my package. Wait. Is that the new package from email? What the fuck? It looks like, oh my gosh. It looks like argon. This is argon of filthy argon. There you go. You want it? This is the veteran of this last time gun. Like this here. But I already used this gun. So this they get name police, but it's same. But this one is same, but this is not same. Do you know? This is for 35-400. So this is the stronger pistol I ever seen. This in from email I buy. Look, when I press this, it shoot. Let's go put the bullets inside and then let's go do the test. I got bullets, so when I put it, it's fit. Let's go. I shoot you. When I put this trigger, let's go. Let's go load up. I want to load you. Okay, hands up, you freaking do. I already shoot you for hey. Ooh. I'm so very scared. I hate you. I will hate you. That's only my bullet, or there is another one. They've got this only bullet. Okay. Where is my screws weapon in email I buy? Over here. So you want I shoot you with 2 bullets, a strong bullet from Jeffony. You want it? In the last bullet strong. I already shoot you with a fucking chest. Let's go into it. So this bullet I got only 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go build the test. Where is it? Okay, I put this bullet. Let's go turn to the test. Okay, but there, let's go 30. When I got this bullet, it's only my bullet. Let's go my kit. This is one I put over here. Let's go. Load it up. 1, 2, 3. Oh boy. It's so very, very strong. So this outside 2, 3 bullets. Let's go load it. 3, 2, 1. So loud. This bullet when it broke is so loud. More. Here. Okay. And that's only I don't like to the test. So very cool. Thank you for watching my video. Let's go. So that's only my video. So that's only my video, audience, and thank you for watching. Bye.